Namaskar students. In the last class, we have done the quick recap of all the topics which you have done in class 3, and we have done one more topic, that how to write the text in the text box and how to do different operations on the text box or placeholder. In the last class, you have done that how to move a placeholder, how to rotate, how to do the formatting of text in a placeholder. In this class, we will do the study of other topics of this chapter. So at first, I want to tell you about the alignment. What is alignment? Alignment is basically the positioning of text in a document. Here, I will tell you about the alignment in the text box. Basically, there are four types of alignment. The first one is left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify alignment. With the help of left alignment, you can place your text at the left side of the page. With the help of center alignment, you can place your text in the center. With the help of right alignment, you can place your text at the right side, and justify alignment is the combination of left and right alignment. So one by one, I will tell you about the alignments. So I am just clicking here, and now I am clicking on left alignment. When I will click on left alignment, my text will come at the left side of the placeholder or text box. You can see when I am clicking on it, that time my text is coming at the left side. When I will click on center alignment, that time my text will come in the center of the text box. When I will click on right alignment, that time my text will go at the right side. But here I want to write the heading of my presentation in between, so I will choose center alignment. Here you can see that below the heading I have written my name. I want to write my name at the right side, so for this what I have to do, I will just click on it and then I will choose the right alignment. You can see it is coming at the right side. Now again I am clicking on it. You can see here I am just clicking, I am just selecting. Okay, it is coming. Now you can see it is coming at the right side. Now if you want to make a copy of any slide, that time what you have to do, there are basically three methods of making the copy of any slide or making a duplicate of any slide. So the first method is, at first click on the slide which you want to copy or which you want to duplicate. So at first you have to click on Home tab. Before doing anything, at first you have to click on the slide. Then you have to click on Home tab. When you will click on Home tab, in the clipboard group you will get the copy button. So you have to click on copy, and then after clicking on copy, you have to just click on paste button which is in the clipboard group. When you will click on paste, you will get one more copy of the same slide. You can see my first slide is this one and the second slide is also this one. It means it makes a copy of my present slide. Now the second method is, if you want to make the copy of the second slide, the second method is just click on the slide and then right click. Here when you will right click, that time you will get a pop-up menu. In this pop-up menu you will get the option copy. Just click on this copy option. After clicking on copy option, again you have to right click, then you will get the paste option. Here you have to choose the first one, use destination theme. When you will click on it, you will get one more copy of the slide. Now The third method is, at first you have to click on Home tab, and then in the Slides group, in the New button, you will get this arrow. Click on this arrow here. When you will click on this New Slide arrow, at the bottom side you will get one option, Duplicate Selected Slide. So from here you have to choose the Duplicate Selected Slide. When you will click on it, you will get one more copy of the selected slide. So here you can see that by using three different methods, I have make the copy of the first slide. So I am getting here 4 slides. Now the first one is the original one, and second, third and fourth are the copies of the first one. So by using these three methods, you can make the copy of any slide. Now if you want to delete any slide, that time what you have to do, there are also two methods. At first you can click on any slide and then you can press the delete key from the keyboard. This is the first method. So you can see here that your first slide is deleted. The second method is, just click on the slide which you want to delete and then right click. When you will right click, a pop-up menu will open. In this pop-up menu, you will get the option delete slide. When you will click on delete slide, your selected slide will be deleted. So there are basically two methods. By using these two methods, you can delete any slide. So what you have to do now, you have to just do the practice of all those things which we have done in this chapter. You have to do the formatting, you have to do the work on the text box, you have to do the practice of copy and delete and other options which we have done in this chapter.